How to fix sending reels failed in Instagram. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, make sure your device is connected to a stable internet connection. Now head to the Play Store, tap on search icon, search for Instagram, and make sure to update to the latest version. Now go back to your home screen, open up Settings application, go to Apps, tap on App Management. Now find Instagram, click on Force Stop, go to Storage Usage, tap on Clear Data, and tap on Delete. Now restart the application. I hope this will fix the issue. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question, want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.